welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I got this very easy neutral makeup look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Here I'm using my Cetaphil lotion to moisturize before I put on my primer. I set up my camera so many times and it just kept falling. All I could do was laugh at myself. But anyways, I use my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer to prime my face before I put on foundation. Then I take my Coty Airspun powder and put it on my T-zone just to make sure my makeup doesn't get oily throughout the day. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation in the shade Rich Sand. And don't forget your neck, because you're gonna look real crazy if your foundation doesn't match. Here I'm gonna take my Maybelline foundation, I think. I mean, not foundation, concealer. And I'm gonna put it under my eyes and on my forehead, on my chin, under my nose, just to highlight those places. Always wet your beauty blender, because if you don't, it's going to soak up a lot more product than it should. And don't drag the beauty blender or the makeup around your face, just dab it in. Y'all, this palette is so old. I got it from TJ Maxx for $7.99. I really only use it for this dark brown shade, just a contour. Next, I'm going to go back in with the Coty Airspun powder to set underneath my eyes, my chin, underneath my nose. Then I take this setting powder from the CoverGirl Queen collection just to bring back the color to my face. Now I take my LA Girl Pro Conceal to use as a base for the eyeshadow. It's in the shade Fawn.
Yeah, she keep giving me low. Yeah.
Every single time I show this palette, I do this. I don't know why. I can't remember that there's a brush in there, but I'm just using this color as a base, kind of, because I'm gonna put another color on top of it. Next, I'm going to take the shade Low Glow, just for a transition shade. Next, I'm going to use the 42 color Ultimate Matte palette from BH Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to take one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyeshadow Singles in the shade Amber, and I'm going to put it in the center of my lid. This is my favorite mascara ever. It's the Bad Gal Bang Benefit Mascara, and it works so well for curly eyelashes. It makes my eyelashes look so long. Next, I'm using the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray to set my makeup in place. Then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. This is optional, but I always put highlighter underneath my brow bone.
Juice.
Blackout. So if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me to see more. Bye.